My name is Justin Martin, and I'm a Research Data Specialist 1 for the State and Federal Reporting section in the Research, Automation, and Data Division. On a day-to-day, my job revolves around collecting data from all 58 California counties from different social services programs such as the Temporary Assistance for Needy Families program and the Work Incentive Nutritional Supplement program. I take that data and then analyze it, and it helps to inform the governor's budget, which is then utilized to allocate resources to all 58 California counties. So besides the great collaborative spirit within my unit, I really enjoyed the fact that I was able to promote so quickly. I started at CDSS as a Research Data Analyst 2, and I promoted within a year to Research Data Specialist 1. And within that promotion, I had great training opportunities to work more with coding software, and I still have great supervision, and I'm able to work with other people in my section to fully understand my role. So if this kind of work interests you, feel free to check us out on the CDSS Careers webpage, or you can follow us or check us out on CDSS LinkedIn.